Grandpa teaches English. Subscribe now.
I stand between two trees. I stand between two trees. I walk among the trees. I walk among the trees. I sit between two chairs. I sit between two chairs. I am among a crowd of people. I am among a crowd of people. I put the lamp between two books. I put the lamp between two books. I share sweets among the children. I share sweets among the children. I stand between the car and the house. I stand between the car and the house. I walk among the flowers. I walk among the flowers. I choose between two hats. I choose between two hats. I am respected among the neighbors. I am respected among the neighbors. I stand between two cars. I stand between two cars. I walk among the parked cars. I walk among the parked cars. I put the pen between two folders. I put the pen between two folders. I look for the pen among my tools. I look for the pen among my tools. I sit between two kids. I sit between two kids. I share a story among the kids. I share a story among the kids. I stand between the door and the wall. I stand between the door and the wall. I find a red apple among the green ones. I find a red apple among the green ones. I choose between two shirts. I choose between two shirts. I walk among the market stalls. I walk among the market stalls. I stand between two bookshelves. I stand between two bookshelves. I search for a book among many others. I search for a book among many others. I am between the stove and the sink. I am between the stove and the sink. I find a spoon among the forks. I find a spoon among the forks. I stand between two suitcases. I stand between two suitcases. I walk among the travelers. I walk among the travelers. I sit between the dog and the cat. I sit between the dog and the cat. I stand among the pigeons. I stand among the pigeons. I am between two benches. I am between two benches. I am respected among my team members. I am respected among my team members. I stand between two doors. I stand between two doors. I walk among the trees. I walk among the trees. I am between the window and the bed. I am between the window and the bed. I am among the flowers. I am among the flowers. I put the fork between two plates. I put the fork between two plates. I walk among the guests. I walk among the guests. I am between the desk and the chair. I am between the desk and the chair. I find a photo among the old books. I find a photo among the old books. I stand between the car and the garage. I stand between the car and the garage. I am respected among my friends. I am respected among my friends. I sit between two lamps. I sit between two lamps. I walk among the old buildings. I walk among the old buildings. I put the salt between the pepper and the plate. I put the salt between the pepper and the plate. I look for my glasses among the newspapers. I look for my glasses among the newspapers. I stand between the fountain and the bench. I stand between the fountain and the bench. I find a quiet spot among the busy streets. I find a quiet spot among the busy streets. I am between the fridge and the table. I am between the fridge and the table. I share my knowledge among the students. I share my knowledge among the students. I stand between the gate and the path. I stand between the gate and the path. I am a leader among my peers. I am a leader among my peers. I stand between two pillars. I stand between two pillars. I walk among the statues. I walk among the statues. I put the plate between the knife and the fork. I put the plate between the knife and the fork. I find a coin among the pebbles. I find a coin among the pebbles. I stand between the bike and the tree. I stand between the bike and the tree. I walk among the crowd. I walk among the crowd. I sit between my son and my daughter. I sit between my son and my daughter. I am well known among the doctors. I am well known among the doctors. I am between the office and the lobby. I am between the office and the lobby. I spread happiness among the people. I spread happiness among the people.